I am Plato.
And I am Aristotle.
Even if you read Aristotle now, you must know that I am his father.
No!
Much of what he wrote was in response to me. For me, everything that is around me is not known in virtue of itself, but rather because of eternal entities called forms, which give being to those beings around us, to those objects around us that we know by senses. Genuine knowledge, though, is not obtained by the senses, but is of these forms. And in order for us to be able to know those forms, we need an immortal soul. And you read about it in the Phaedo. We need an immortal soul because this immortal soul knows the forms prior to coming into this body, and the moment in which it is here, it forgets them. And knowledge is recollection of those forms that I known before, that I encountered before.
Well, you are my friend, Plato, but I love more the force. Actually, the truth. The forms are not in the heavens of the philosophers, as my friend Plato says here, who claims to be my father, but they are here in every particular, giving them indeed being, the way he says it, but not because they are in some sort of heaven, but rather because they are the substantial forms within themselves. That means that we can know those things whilst we study them. And we do not need an eternal soul, like my friend here needs one, but we have to agree with the fact that the soul is the first actuality of every living thing. And that first actuality gives every being the principle of organization that makes every being what it is. That means that each species will have its own soul. And I share the same soul that my friend Plato here does, even if we manifest those human souls in different ways. But what makes me human being makes him human being as well. We will talk about this more in our future videos.